I turn this on? This way.
I'm going home right now. It's fine.
It's pretty. Okay, where are we gonna, what's our goal here? Oh, I got a wedding to film. Wow, nice. How do I go upstairs? Everything's handicap accessible. Yeah, from Morgan. You need to go up here. Okay, I gotta find the right place. Information over there. Ooh, ooh, look, City Hall. Wow, nice. This is a nice place for photos. Somebody's getting married here? Wow. This place is too big to walk. How's the plan? Where's the not an entrance? Is this the planning? Municipal services? Municipal services?
Okay, so Linda, I have one additional person here.
Businesses?
Germany.
Where's
So have
planning?
you listed on the account?
Yeah, but we had asked to be on the billing.
Let me ask her. How do I get to the planning department?
I'm sorry?
The planning
The
department?
last bill that was
It's across the street? It's not in this building?
last bill that was mailed out about 3 weeks ago. Was a report that didn't have his name on it.
Huh?
There's a partial
Listed
office
on the
upstairs on the
account.
second floor.
Partial office?
Yeah,
On the bill.
Because even when I
It's just
open,
like the
Pasadena Water and Power, I don't.
side office. This is where they do all the permits and stuff.
Uh-huh. It's over here. Just go that way and I'll see it, that building.
Are you looking for a permit?
So this is.
Yeah, I have a question for the planning department. If I could build a shed in the back.
Oh yeah, you would go there. Across the street,
So
right across
what I
next
can
to
do is
the...
just essentially.
Okay, let's go to that building. Okay, thank you.
Add him right now. The only thing is though, since it's already, it hasn't, for whatever reason, hasn't been updated.
Let's go. Shit. Because it's the wrong way. Okay. Ooh, nice lighting. This is formal wedding. Over here? Oh yeah, that building. I went there before. I forgot for what. Oh, for business license. Oh yeah. Pasadena is so big. It's now you know why I brought this scooter. I can't walk all of this. Oh look, another bride. Listen here. I don't want an American wedding. And that's right. Cool. You don't need a house. You could just stay wherever you want. It's California. You could live on the streets. It doesn't matter. It's too expensive here. I agree. City of Pasadena. Building and permits.
Are they in review right now?
No, it's been passed, and that's the whole thing. We didn't know. We didn't sign off on it.
Oh,
It's-
so the
that's-
contractor moved along on something that you guys never knew about?
Yeah, it's a huge thing.
I would say it's
Okay, not a problem.
I would say
Hi. I want to build a shed in my backyard. Who do I talk to?
zoning. Let me give you a ticket, hold on.
Okay.
I would talk to Jackie on that matter to see if there is any, first we need to get the address. If there's a building permit associated. And we need we're gonna stop the review and everything. But it's already, if it's done. He's already been in here before and talked to him. Okay, so is it? I don't know. So.
Contractor? You need a contractor. Yeah? It's 952 North Lake.
952 North Lake?
Yeah.
Okay, so it can be in your backyard, right?
Yeah, but that street is a mixed
Mixed use or what? What do you want?
residential and
commercial?
commercial.
Okay, but you live in a house, right?
Yes, there's a house in the back.
No, no. So where are you putting the shed?
In right there.
In the back.
In the back.
So are you saying that that lot where you're talking about this, there is a house and there's a commercial building there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, make sure you let the zoning person know that.
Oh,
Okay, we're
okay.
gonna have to know that because whether or not they're gonna allow that, we'll have to see. Okay?
Oh.
So they'll tell you, but make sure you let them know because if you don't, they're gonna.
Allowed have housing? Allow
No,
a shed?
well, if it's already, in other words, if that lot is already, how to say, what's the word I want to use? If it was already allotted the commercial in the front and the residential in the back, we can't change that. But my thing is, the fact that it has commercial and residential might affect the idea of putting a shed in your backyard because it depends on the square footage and the lot size.
Oh.
And I would assume that your commercial's got quite a part of that lot already.
Yeah.
Right, so you may or may not be able to do it. So that's what I'm saying, make sure you let the planner and zoning know that in the front of that lot where you want to propose this, there's a commercial building already in the front, so she can look it up and see what the actual square footage is and whether or not you're going to have that room to do that.
Okay.
Okay, that's all I'm saying, so make sure, okay? So she's clear, because if not, she might tell you yes, and then when you find out and the inspection goes, they're gonna say no.
Yeah.
Get rid of it.
Oh, yeah.
Right? And you built it, and who knows how much money you spent, and now you gotta get rid of it. So to save you time,
Yeah.
let her know the situation so she can tell you yes or no.
Okay.
Okay?
Good. Thank you.
Sure. Okay, hold this ticket. Okay. If she says yes, let me give you the application. Get the blue one.
This one?
So if they allow, if she says yes before you can do it, she's gonna tell you what's gonna be needed.
Uh-huh. Oh.
And then you would fill this out if that's the case. And if she says you don't need the permit, or guess what, we can't do it because it's not, square footage isn't there, then you can't.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
but either way you find out.
All right, thank
You're
you.
welcome. Okay, so look. Okay, I did read that one.
Walking mode. Come on, let's go. Zone.
Okay. All right, at least I have something to report back.
Zoning.
I tried it. It might be diligence. You too.
I'm in the zoning department. 2:15? Is it 2:10 yet? Oh yeah, right now. Hello. Am I supposed to wait for it to be called?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I didn't know. Okay, quick recap. That lady, I had to ask so many questions just to get the right information from her. It's like she didn't want to tell me or something, and I had to keep digging deeper and deeper on how to get the permit. Okay, let's go look around. Quinceañera. Oh. Wow, this is a fancy quinceañera. Oh, I could go down this. Quinceañera? It's nice here. Oh, sorry.